Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. If you guys are looking for a motorcycle trailer, we've got an awesome unit in stock. This one's a 2019 Cargo Craft 7x14. This one has got a ton of goodies on it. Super cool. You do have a silver front, charcoal back, polished aluminum strip between the two 3,500-pound axles, brakes on all fours, aluminum wheels, diamond plate fender. This is a gorgeous looking trailer. This one is equipped with an extended triple tube tongue. You also have a generator platform right here on the front, as well as 15 amp service. Now this one's set up like our big car haulers, so it's gorgeous to see it in this size. It does have that rounded upper cap with a nice big polished cap there, polished corners, and a diamond plate front. Your side door does have double locks with that RV lock and cam bar, as well as a gutter. Two-way side vents with this unit, which is cool. You can open and close these. That's what that one is right there. Drop-down stabilizer jacks under the back. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close. Also has a nice big transition flap on here. Like I said, if you guys are going to use this for Harleys or bikes. You also have two LED load light spotlights here off the back. And a nice polished aluminum wrapper on your rear door jamb. Ties everything in together. This is also a great safety feature that will really illuminate at night, and people will know right where your trailer is when you are in front of them. Better shot of this side here. Now this unit's also insulated, so we have insulated walls and ceiling with this unit, and a silver aluminum wall and ceiling liner. It's really cool. Plus, we did the Nudo floor. So you've got your Nudo floor with Drymax, which is this amazing product right here. Super durable. And then underneath it is Drymax. That is the water-resistant product that's also on the underneath side of your trailer. But we also ran Nudo up along the walls. This is great because when you guys are pulling bikes and trikes and things in and out of here, if you, as you know, run those tires against the walls, they'll leave a mark. And this allows you to have some extra protection on the walls and not have to worry about them. So great setup there. This is set up perfectly for two bikes, it looks like, because we've got 3 D-rings here in the back, 2 D-rings in the center, 3 more up front. And again, insulated walls and insulated ceiling. We also have 3 LED interior puck lights in here with a wall switch right there. And all of your lights with this unit is super cool. It's set up like our off-road trailers, are hooked up to this battery with a battery charger and a battery box. So this is going to run your interior lights. It's going to run those spots off of your ramp without being plugged into your vehicle, which is great. And then you've got one outlet here with that 15 amp service plug that's on the front of the trailer. There's a better shot of those two-way side vents. Like you guys can see, you can open and close those, which is a great feature. About a 5,100-pound payload capacity with this unit with the tandem axle. Backside of the RV lock gives you guys a lock-a-latch set of keys. And you've got E-track in the walls. So if you guys wanted to build bunks off here or just have some extra stability for whatever you're hauling on the inside, it's here and ready to go. Super cool trailer, set up very nice. And I will post a full description with a price down below in the description section on YouTube. You guys can always give us a call, 303-688-8485. Check out our inventory online always at coloradotrailersinc.com. We do ship. If you guys don't live near us, no worries. We'll ship it to you. Give us a call. We'll get you a shipping quote. And as always, we would love to earn your business. Again, 303-688-8485 or coloradotrailersinc.com.